Most people get this wrong when their Swagbucks account gets suspended. They immediately create a new account, send multiple support tickets, or assume they've permanently lost access. But here's the truth no one tells you. Many account suspensions happen because of verification issues, policy violations, unusual account activity, or security reviews. Understanding the reason behind the suspension is the first step toward resolving it. In this video, I'll explain what to do if your Swagbucks account is suspended in 2026 and the steps that give you the best chance of recovering access. Let's get straight into it. The first thing you should do is check any email or notification associated with your account. In many cases, Swagbucks will provide information about the suspension or request additional verification. Reading these messages carefully can save you a lot of time. This is where most people fail. They skip the details. For example, Jake sees a suspension notice and immediately starts creating new accounts. That can make the situation worse because many rewards platforms prohibit multiple accounts. Alex reads the notification carefully, follows the instructions provided, and focuses on resolving the original issue. That's usually the smarter approach. Now here's where it gets interesting. Not every suspension is permanent. Some restrictions are temporary, and may be related to security reviews, identity verification, suspicious activity alerts, or account checks designed to protect the platform. But here's the problem. Many users don't realize that even small mistakes can trigger account reviews. Using inaccurate personal information, violating offer requirements, creating duplicate accounts, or engaging in unusual activity patterns may result in account restrictions. That's why it's important to follow the platform's terms and guidelines carefully. In a minute, I'll show you the most important recovery step. Before that, gather any information that may help verify your account. This could include account details, verification documents if requested, and information about recent activity. Having everything ready can speed up the process. Now, here's the most important step. Contact official Swagbucks support through the proper support channels. Clearly explain your situation, provide requested information, and remain professional throughout the process. The support team can review your account and provide guidance based on your specific case. Many users delay resolution simply by submitting incomplete information. This is where patience becomes important. Account reviews may take time, and repeatedly opening new requests can sometimes slow the process. Let's quickly recap. Read all suspension notifications carefully. Understand the reason for the restriction. Avoid creating duplicate accounts. Gather any required verification information. Contact official support. .iy. And follow the instructions provided during the review process. These steps give you the best chance of resolving a Swagbucks account suspension in 2026. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more Swagbucks tutorials and rewards platform tips, and let me know in the comments what type of account issue you're facing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.